Hi, in this video, I will show you how to build a DIY homemade camping or emergency light. Here is the list of items required to complete this project. Lithium-Ion Cells, 40 ampere 3S battery management system, DC to DC buck converter module, fuse 3S battery power indicator, 9-volt strip light, switch. Here is the circuit diagram for this project. Now let's start building the project step by step. First, prepare a 3S battery pack using 18650 cells and cell holders, as shown here. Use double-sided tape to fix the BMS board to the backside of the cell holders. The BMS provides overcharge protection, under-voltage protection, short-circuit protection, and controlled charging for this project. Now complete the circuit and solder all the connections according to the circuit diagram. Set the output voltage of the DC to DC buck converter to 9 volts using the trimmer. After everything is ready, mount the LED strip on the project box and close it. Now it's time to test the project. If you enjoyed this project, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions.